Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is some standard discrete distributions. In this topic we are going to learn various discrete distribution one by one. Now in today's lecture we are going to discuss one point distribution. One point distribution is a discrete distribution. So let us see the definition. A random variable x is said to follow one point distribution if its PMF is given by probability x equal to k is 1 and probability x not equal to k equal to 0, where k is any point, where k is any point which may be 1, 2, 3, minus 1, may be any point on the real line. Now we shall see the graph of PMF of one point distribution. To plot a graph of PMF, we take x values of x on the x-axis and the probabilities on the y-axis. This is origin. Since here in one point distribution there is only one value of x and which is k, so it is k and probability x equal to k is 1. K is 1. Hence here this is the graph of one point distribution. There is only one point which is x equal to k with probability here 1. Now we shall calculate the mean of one point distribution. We have already learned in the mathematical expectation topic, mean is nothing but the expectation of x, and expectation of x is given by definition summation xi into pi, I is 1 to n. In the previous lecture of mathematical expectation topic, we have learned what is expectation and how it is calculated. If a student want to learn that chapter, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that playlist is also given in the description box. Now let us calculate the mean of one point distribution. Since we have only one value x equal to k with probability 1, so it is k into 1. Therefore expectation of x is equal to k. Hence the mean of one point distribution is that point itself. Here we have considered a general point k, hence mean is k. Now we shall move to the next point, variance of one point distribution. By definition of variance x is given by variance x equal to expected value of x square minus expectation x bracket square. As I have already calculated the expectation of x, which is mean, and it is k, so it is k square. We have to calculate the expectation of x square, so consider expectation of x square. By definition it is summation xi square into pi, probability I is from 1 to n. As we know that one point distribution has only one value and which is k, so it is k square and its probability is 1, so it is k square. Therefore by substituting the value of expectation x square in the equation of variance x, we get k square minus k square. Let me call this as equation 1. This is from equation 1. So k square minus k square is 0. Hence, variance of a 1-point distribution is always 0, whatever may be the point of 1-point distribution. In this lecture, we learn what is 1-point distribution and how we draw the PMF of 1-point distribution. Further, we calculate the mean of 1-point distribution, and that comes to be that point itself, and the variance of 1-point distribution, which is always 0 for any point we have considered. In this way, we complete 1-point distribution. In the previous lectures, we have already learned many more lectures like univariate probability distribution, mathematical expectation, some basic concepts from statistics, central tendency, etc. and etc. If students want to learn all the lectures, then please click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of all the playlists are given in the description box. If any student have some query or problem regarding the lecture, then write in the comment box. I will resolve your problem as early as possible. Students are requested to subscribe Learn Statistics channel for the next upcoming lectures in the upcoming days, and share with your friends in order to learn them the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. We will meet in the next topic, next lecture with the next topic. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.